This week on Green Mountain Garage, we're installing a Roush axleback exhaust on my wife's 2024 Ecoboost Mustang that we call Project Half Send. Okay, so what we're doing is we've got a cut right here to put the axle back in. We've got a cut right here because the new muffler overlaps to about right here. And then basically you just cut this, clamp it, and slide it in. You slide it into the new hanger, and that's it. Should be fairly easy. It's you know, it's just 2024 with 7,000 or 8,000 miles, so why not? I took the suspension off with 250, so. There we go. And this guy should just slide right out. There we go. Driving it, it's really not that much louder than it was before. It's just got a little bit deeper tone than it had before. Well, that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.